Hello everybody. If you've seen yesterday's video, I showed you a bit of a new tool I've bought, a new cooking tool. So I'm going to show it you today. I'm going to cook a chilli in there. Because it did say it was going to be 0 degrees today by us. But it isn't. So I thought yesterday I'm going to do a chilli. Warm us up, but it isn't really cold. But never mind, it's all about this here. It is, if you haven't seen the video yesterday, it's Russell Hobbs, good to go, multi-cooker. I bought it myself, cost me £49, it was on Amazon. There was on sale a few weeks before, and I was looking at them and I was umming whether to get one. And I thought, should I or shouldn't I? But then the sale had gone and I bit the bullet and I went and got one. It does quite a lot of features. So, let me show you, and we'll get a chilli cooked. So, there it is. I have used it. I used it Sunday. I've done a full Sunday dinner in it. And it is okay, actually, to be honest with you. It's a mixture between a slow cooker and a pressure cooker, if you get what I mean. Now, I say I've got a slow cooker, and I've also got a pressure cooker. But a slow cooker is a slow cooker, isn't it? And a pressure cooker does quite a lot of functions, but the only problem with a pressure cooker is the lid, isn't it? Because once it pressurises, you can't really, taste or whatever you want to do with it. And it is quite delicious. But that's why this is like a 2-in-1, if you like. I know they do like a Ninja one and all that stuff, don't they? But this was only like 49 quid, so I thought, I'll get it and I'll try it. I think there's a Ninja Speedy or something to do or something, I don't know. Anyway, it's got 8 functions on it. Let me show you the box so we can show you. Okay, that's what it does look. A sous vide, I've never done that. I did get asked about that on my channel, so I might do that. Some steak tomorrow on my live, because I'm doing live tomorrow. So I might do that on a live tomorrow, first time and just try it. It's got a roast function, a slow cook, a sear, a keep warm, a boil, a steam and a rice. That's what it's got. Good to go multi-cooker. I'm too close then on. Let's move you. So good to go multi-cooker. Scan here to find out more if you want to scan that. To have yourselves a look if you're interested anyway. I'll put that there for you. 8 versatile cooking functions. It cost me, I was checking it Sunday, and it was costing me 20p an hour. Everyone's going to be different, ain't they? But that's what it cost me anyway. So there's that. Anyway, so let's get on. Well, there's the lid. I mean, you've seen the lid in it. Lid's the lid. You got your plate for your... There on there, look. You got your plate for your meat, whatever you use. You got a steamer tray. And obviously you got your basket. And you've also got, what you do with these, if I can bring you back a bit, that just comes off like that. And that can all go in a dishwasher. I haven't got a dishwasher, but it all goes in a dishwasher, that does. And also that can be moved and put on the table, if you get what I mean. It can be served in there. So that's quite a good idea. Well, I'm going to give it a wash because it doesn't look like it's had a proper wash. Then we'll get something cooked. Okay then, let's get on with me chilli. Let me show you the ingredients I got from my chilli, what I've bought. That's what I've got. I've got some beef and pork. I was supposed to get just beef. I didn't have my reading glasses on, so I picked up the wrong one. But beef and pork, that's good enough. I've got a teaspoon of salt and pepper. A couple of small chopped onions, 1 medium. A bit of Guinness, I'm not having all of that. Chunky tomatoes, red kidney beans, 25ml of cold water, and this. I've never had that before. I got that from Tesco's when I seen it. I think it was 70p. Chili con carne recipe mix, Guinness. So I thought we'd have a go with this. See what this is like. You'll have yourselves a look if I can see because of the light. There's all the ingredients. You want to have yourself a pause or whatever you do. And that's how you do it. Nice and simple. And that's why I thought I would use my pot. So then, first things first is we're going to get the frying function on the pot. So you can do everything in here, which I do quite like. You got a fry there. How do you turn it on? If I can remember. Is it that one? Or that one? There. Fry there, function. Start. And when it heats up, it'll take a couple of minutes and then it will start counting down. You probably can't see it on the camera because it's flashing. Say 30 minutes. Okay, just put a bit of oil in, just for the onions. I'm going to do the onions first. It's just started to read this hot now. There's my onions. And we'll frying pan, sort of frying pan first to get your searing on the go. We'll do that for a couple of minutes. Okay, they're softening up now. So this is going to be slow cooked, so well, you can cook it all in there if you wanted to, on like a frying function, if you get me, like you do on your hob. But mine's going to be slow cooked anyway, so it's that'll do. I'm going to get my meats in, well, my pork and beef. Get that mashed together. We'll get it all incorporated in. Get that browned up. Okay guys, that took exactly 10 minutes to brown all that up, well, to seal it up. Obviously you can leave it longer if you want to. We don't need to. Now we're going to get the tomatoes in. I've got these ones with herbs. Just so you put in any extra in it. They ain't too bad, these tomatoes, to be honest with you. Chopped tomatoes. 24 ml of water. I'll stick it in there to get the extra bit of some tomato juice. Your chilli mix, your Guinness chilli con carne mix. We'll get that in. Oh, that's it there, look. It smells quite nice, that does, actually. Get it all in there. Give that a mix up first. Get it all coated. It's looking nice already, look. It's looking nice already. Ooh. Get it all coated. There we go. Now, some Guinness. Don't have to have loads of Guinness. I think on the packet it says 30 ml or something, I think, at the bottom. We're not overpowering it, are we? A little bit more than that. There we go, that'll do. I'm putting the kidney beans in, probably the last 30 minutes, that's all. That looks quite nice, doesn't it, that? I'm not going to put any more salt and pepper in. I'm going to do it as we go, which is what you can do with this instead of doing it like if you do it in your pressure cooker. You can't really have extra seasonings, can you? Right, we're going to turn that off. And now we're going to go on to put the lid on. And now we're going to slow cook. Slow cook, 4 hours, you probably can't see that. And we're off. And that's it. Nice and simple. One pan, which is what I quite like. And we'll see what it comes out like at the end. Okay guys, it's been 3.5 hours. I gave it a little taste. I've put a tablespoon of cayenne pepper in there because I want it a little bit spicier. But it's smelling delicious. There it is, look. At the minute. Now, I'm going to put my kidney beans in for the last half hour now. Get all them in. Get a little mix. Oh yes, nice chilli, eh? Nice chilli, Guinness chilli. That's it, half hour to go. And then we're going to do the rice in it then. I will take that out, I'll put it in a bowl. Wrap it up, keep it warm. And then we'll do the rice. Okay guys, that is done. Might not look so much in there now because my daughter's been and she's had a bit to take home with her. So, she's had a couple of ladlefuls to take home. So hopefully it's going to be delicious. Anyway, I'm going to get that into a bowl. And then, I'm going to get a quick wash. I'm going to do the rice while that keeps warm. So how good that is, look. You can just lift that up and I can just pour it into a bowl. Show you. Or you can just put that straight on the table, which if I didn't have the rice, I would. If you get me. I'll just put it in a bowl and I'll cover it up. There's loads in there, look. I'll wash that up, then move on to the rice. Okay, here's the rice instructions. This is what I'm going to follow. The 400 gram rice for 960 ml of water. That's what I'm going to do. Serves 4 or 5 people. So it's quite simple then, this one. Can't be a problem with it. We'll get the water in. And the rice, which I have washed. I'll just give that a stir. It's covered. There looks like quite a lot of water in there, but mind you, it's just about covering it, so. Bit of salt and pepper in there. Like that, so put the lid on. Boom. And we press the rice function. And that's what it does. And then you just got to let it go. I think that's what it does. Let me try again. Yeah. And that's it. It's working now. Okay, that's just this second finished off. It took about 10 to 12 minutes. And there's the rice. I don't know if you can see it. I don't know if it's a bit steamy. But it looks nice, doesn't it? Right. Let's get on the table. Let's give it a taste. Okay. There we go. Let me show you. There's my chilli. I've covered it over. I just took some foil off it, that's all. So it still should be warm. And there's the rice. That looks nice, doesn't it, that rice? Looks really nice. I'll put a bit of pepper in there, just think. Right, and I've got some of them. Oh, you can see them. That was from Aldi in the special boys. And that's picking the cheese. Starving, ain't you, darling?
Yep, I'm hungry.
Do you want to do yourself some? Yeah. And I'll record you.
Making a mess.
Making a mess.
Let's have that for now.
Having that.
Nice have some more in a minute.
Trying to, you get it. Trying to avoid the
All
beans.
To that side. I don't know if I can pick this up properly. I'm more khaki-handed.
Just pick your beans out. You don't like the beans, do you?
Well, I'm going to give it another try.
Yeah. You never know the slow cooker, do you?
No.
I think the beans are lovely.
Texture, I don't like.
Is that what you're having?
Yeah, just for now. I'm going to have
Just for now. Can I have some more?
Yeah.
Oh, let me do mine.
You crack on. Do you want to hold that while you do
No,
yours?
I'll do mine.
You can always have some more in a second, because I'm hungry.
It does say, it does say on this with the rice, leave it for like 15 minutes, obviously, so it soaks more water up, but I need to get my dinner at.
Yum.
There's mine.
That's nice.
Is that nice? Now let me get some of this in there. Do apologise about the camera work, but, you know.
Oh, that's nice. You having cheese?
I don't have cheese on mine, Bab, no.
Oh, I have to have cheese. I don't
Yeah.
know why.
And there's mine. Oh yeah, what's them like? I've never had one of them chips before. Have a look. What a look inside. There they are.
They have a smoky taste.
Oh, smoky taste. I've never had one of them ones before. I only just get the cheap Aldi ones. Well, you're not sure.
Oh. They're nice and then you've got a weird aftertaste.
Nice, and then you get a weird aftertaste.
The gluten.
I do apologise about the sun. I've got the sun blaring through. It said it was going to be 0 degrees today.
They are gluten free.
So what flavour they are? Vegeta, just Vegeta flavour. That's them there. Massive bag though, isn't it, that?
I think I prefer the Aldi.
The Aldi cheap 50p ones.
Yeah. I'm not sure about them. You might like them. We all like different stuff, so.
They're alright, isn't they? They'll be alright with the chilli, won't they?
Yeah.
Try some of them. Try some of them beans. Come on. You never used to like anything, did you? You used to like black pudding. Oh, no, I still don't like them.
It's the texture.
It's the texture, isn't it? Worth a go, weren't it, Bab?
Yeah, you never know.
Nope, no.
Oh, no.
No. Yeah, some people like them, some don't, don't they?
Everyone's different.
You can put baked beans in there if you wanted to and all that stuff.
Maybe pick them out. No problem. It's nice chilli though. Really nice. I do like it. It's really, really nice.
That is nice actually, that. Let me try and get some of the chilli on its own. I'm glad I put some of that cayenne pepper in, it's got a little bit of a kick.
I was just going to say that, it's got a nice kick to it.
And I would probably put a little bit more seasoning or a bit more Guinness. But apart from that, yeah, it's alright, isn't it, that?
Quite nice, really nice.
That packet, isn't it? It ain't bad at all, is it?
No.
That packet, Guinness packet.
I do like a nice chilli.
That's what I was going to do because I said it was going to be 0 degrees.
It is chilly out there.
That's what it said on my PC anyway, that's what it come up. 0 degrees.
It is chilly, but it ain't no.
It's not cold, is it? I've been out down the neighbours in my shorts, so it ain't cold.
Have you got everywhere in your shorts?
Well, I do, yeah. That's why I'm always ill. But never mind. Anyway, yeah. Enjoying it. Thought you would.
Nice.
Yeah, that's nice. Then that pot, I like that. I got it because, as I said, I got a slow cooker and I got an instant pot, well, pressure cooker. And I do like my pressure cooker and I do like my slow cooker. But I also like, with my pressure cooker, I like to taste the food or add a bit more or whatever. But you can't until it's actually pressurised and done, can't you? So that is a good little machine for 50 quid, £49 off Amazon. You probably can get it cheaper. But yeah, I thought I'd do that and a nice little chilli there with that Tesco Guinness chilli sachet thing. I'd add a bit more Guinness, if you wanted a bit more Guinness. But apart and a cayenne pepper, which I did, and then it's about right, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, it is.
All in all, I say I'm a food guy. I'm going live tomorrow. I'm going to do that sous vide SV. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do some, what is it? I'm going to buy some of them really cheap rubbish steaks from Aldi and rump steaks. I'm going to see if they're any good in there, in that machine. See what it does. I've never done it before. So I'm not going to go buy expensive steak if it ruins it, you know what I mean? So I'm going to buy a cheap steak that Aldi that we hate, and a bag full of gristle. And we're going to see how it comes out. That's what we're going to do. And I've also set up a PO box. It isn't actually set up yet. It takes about 7 days. People have been asking me, so I've done that. That should go, well, I'll let you know anyway as soon as I get the information through. It's all done and paid for. I've just got to wait. It says up to 7 days, so we'll see about that. But anyway, in the meantime, I am the old food guy. Till tomorrow's live time. See you later. Bye-bye.